Hi. Growing perennial vegetables is beneficial to any garden for several reasons. First of all, perennials require less maintenance and are more resilient to pests and disease compared to annual vegetables. Their deep root systems help improve the soil structure and retain moisture. They also produce year after year, saving time and money in replanting each season, making them a sustainable choice for any garden. Also, some of the perennials very often come with their harvest much easier than similar annual. So let's see what are the 15 perennials that you can consider for your garden. Leave in your comments what you think about my list and if there is any perennial that you think I missed to name here. Let's start. In no particular order, but one of my favorites is asparagus, which is a popular and nutritious vegetable that has a lifespan of up to 30 years. Number 2, artichoke. This vegetable is not only delicious but also attractive in the garden. They are hardy in those 7 and above, so please try them if you can. And if you have a big garden. Number 3 is rhubarb, a hardy plant that requires minimal care and produces stalks every year that are perfect for jams or eaten fresh. Number 4, chives, a versatile herb that produces edible leaves and flowers, which are green and very tasty and super popular in Europe, not so in the US, but I believe it should be in every garden. Number 5, Jerusalem artichoke. Some people say it's sweet because once you plant it, it's very difficult to get rid of if you want. In any case, it's a type of sunflower which produces edible tubers. And number 7, lovage, a celery-like herb that adds flavor to soups, stews and salad, and it's definitely easier to grow than celery. Number 8, sea kale. Also popular in Europe, continental Europe, but not in other countries. It's a nutritious plant that produces thick, edible leaves and stalk, and new hybrids are so much better than those that you used to 10-20 years ago. Number 9, Chinese artichoke, a small, crunchy tuber that is perfect for stir fries and salads. Number 10, good King Henry, quite popular in the UK, a spinach-like plant that is rich in vitamins and minerals. Number 11, perennial onions. These onions produce bulbs every year and come in various varieties. For example, Egyptian walking onions and tree onions. Number 12, Welsh onion. You see, we have quite a lot of onions on our list. Welsh onion is a hardy onion plant that produces green leaves and edible bulbs. Number 13, Salsify, a root vegetable that is often used as a substitute for oysters. Number 14, skirret, a sweet and nutty root vegetable that is easy to grow. And number 15, also one of my favorites, horseradish, a pungent root vegetable that adds flavor to sauces and dips. Just try it and you will love it. Oh, and by the way, if you think that the wasabi you eat is actually wasabi, you're probably mistaken. It's horseradish in a green color. And by the way, how attentively did you listen? Did you notice that the number 6 was missing? Number 6, sorrel, a sour herb that is used in salads and soups, especially in one of my favorite soup from Ukraine. Anyway, do subscribe to see my other video about perennials, gardening, home plants and so on, and I'll see you in my next video in a week. Bye.